Hey, brother. Why are you sad? Tell me, what happened?
Look at me! I don't know what to do.
Everyone hates using me now. Don't worry, brother. This happens because of the material your company used when making you. They always use poor quality materials to manufacture us, so now people don't trust me anymore. I don't even understand how to fix this. That's exactly the problem. When manufacturers use low-grade materials, your shine fades, your strength drops,
and rust appears in every season. That's why quality matters.
So, which company made you? My company, Boltrex, made me. That's why I turned dull and rusty. But you're glowing and shiny. Which company made you? I'm proudly made by Apex Integrity Fasteners. We use only premium, high-quality stainless steel.
No cheap materials. Every product is lab-tested, professionally certified, and built to stay strong, shiny, and rust-free.
We are the manufacturers. Apex Integrity Fasteners.